For Vivek, the real journey begins where the trail ends, stepping into the profound isolation of the great white silence.
This is it. I can feel it. The perfect spot. It's beautiful. Ah, finally. That was heavy.
Oh man. Yeah. All right. Just one more.
Keep moving. Just a little further.
Oh!
Almost there. Don't stop now. The footprint is set. Perfectly squared. We're ready for the walls.
Precision, keep it steady. One small chip at a time. Perfect. Yes. Keep that wind out. Just enough moss. Slow and steady.
I've got to secure this wall before the squall hits.
Oh!
That should do it. Time to move. Almost there. Just a few more days. All right, Vivek. Measure twice, cut once. The poles, the hoist. Careful of the ice. Top now.
Come on. Got it.
The sun is gone. Faster, Vivek. Don't let the snow win.
God, I'm exhausted. Thank goodness I found this cabin.
God, it's cold. Oh! Gotta break out. Push harder.
Fresh deer tracks. Good. Keep low. The wind's with me.
Keep a sharp eye on the woods, don't want to get jumped. This needs to last a week.
Almost there. Thank God.
No! It's coming!
Ah! Too fast!
I need to get inside now! It's right on top of me!
Come on. Come on. Ignite. Ignite. Ignite.
God, please. Don't take this from me. Just let it hold.
Gotta reach that river.
Yes! Yes! Finally! I gotcha! The snow is coming through here. I need to get more moss and a sealant fast. It's colder than I thought.
Almost there. Keep going. Don't let the cold in. Hurry.
I saw a fortress where there was once just a forest. I didn't just survive the storm, I conquered it.
The mountain awaits, time to start the new life.
As the sun sets on the forest, the cabin prepares for the long night ahead. The stars begin their celestial dance high above the chimney smoke.
The trail started here, a simple line etched into the snow.